Typhoon Bavi has made landfall in eastern China, becoming the second typhoon to hit the country within a week. The massive storm is about 100 kilometers wide, roughly the same width as France, making it one of the largest weather systems seen in the region this year. Bavi first struck the coastal area of Taizhou on Saturday evening and later made a second landfall near Wenzhou around midnight. Before reaching China, the typhoon battered Japanese islands including Osaka and brought heavy rain in northern Taiwan. The storm has already caused serious damage across Asia. In the Philippines, landslide triggered by heavy rain killed at least 17 people. Although the Bavi has weakened into a several tropical storm, experts warn that it still carries huge amount of moisture, creating a high risk of flooding and landslides. Chinese authorities have taken major precautions. More than 1.7 million people have been evacuated from Zhengzhou province, while thousands more have been moved to safety in neighboring areas. Schools, workplaces, and outdoor activities have been suspended. Around 400 flights and dozens of train services have also been cancelled. The city of Wenzhou, which has a population of about 10 million people, lies close to the storm's path. Hundreds of thousands of residents there have been evacuated as authorities prepare for possible flooding and strong winds. Officials warn eastern Zhejiang and northeastern Fujian could receive exceptionally heavy rainfall. While Bavi is expected to weaken gradually as it moves northeast, the danger is far from over. Authorities are urging people to stay indoor, follow safety instructions, and remain alert as the storm continues its journey across China.